and therefore it bounces back.
Thank you. Excuse me, Chair. So the three reasons you've given that are most likely supposed to be consequential out of this exercise, in your simple, common Mwananchi's language, what can you explain to me is actually happening to these transactions? Because number one, you cannot pay something that doesn't have the account number that is proper, isn't it? Number two, if the payment has been authorized and the fund and the requisition for payment goes to the Controller of Budget's office, if the money isn't there, because you see, if IFMIS doesn't ask you to file a requisition if there's no money. So the argument that the reason why this was actually being voided was because there was no money doesn't make sense. But I also know that if I took, like we have the case in Kisii County where the budget was mutilated, where the controller budget flagged out the budget which had been mutilated, which means the code that is supposed to be used for the payment of this money doesn't exist. I can see you are smiling. I'm with you now. Is that the true story? Yes. I'll see you are smiling. These things now we know them. So begin to tell us exactly how we are losing money in our counties. We don't want you to play with us. Many of us are well-schooled, we are accountants, we are forensic experts, the whole of this team. And this has nothing to do with what is happening at the county, because this is like 4 years ago, the governor wasn't there. Can you tell us and tell Kenyans what exactly is happening when you have those four hypotheticals?
Proceed.
Chair, I may not have a case that I have proved, but in relation to the amounts that are on discussion here, the 15 billion is patching up of payments towards the end of the year with anticipation that the exchequer release, the exchequer money will come in. And so come the end of the financial year, that money is not forthcoming. But these transactions have been invoiced through the process. And therefore, for you to close the financial statements in the system, these transactions have to be cleared. And therefore, the way they clear them...
That is one hypothetical. Give me the other three. That is the one everybody uses. Oh, it was exchequer releases, exchequer... No. Give me, why do you think somebody would actually stop payment of 15 billion shillings?
Honorable Chair, can the finance experts from the county answer that? Because this is the system that they use on a day-to-day basis.
I am having a problem even with the county, because you had said there was no documentary evidence provided to support authorization and reasons for invalidation. The county says it is attached. We can't see it. We can't see it. Governor, why did you choose not to provide that to the Senate? Because I'd really like to see that authorization to